Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Pixie Bob Hairstyle Guide. Today I brought to you very amazing and latest collection of lob haircut ideas. In this video you can see long bob haircut ideas. Long bob haircut also known as lob haircut. I hope you like all the haircuts. If you are looking for new haircut in this summer, then this video is only for you. Please like and share the video and let me know in the comments how do you like my video. If you are new on my channel, I request you to please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so that every upcoming video can reach you. Thank you so much. Bye bye.